months, I've been vlogging strictly off my phone. Like I can't tell you the last time I picked up a camera. I can't tell you the last time I picked up my laptop to edit. I literally, if you go watch Pontiac Made DDG vlogs, every single video for the past 2 months has been off of this phone that you're watching it on right now. And a lot of people think that you need a camera. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. Trust and believe. It's great. Quality's amazing. You know, if you're looking for super duper clear quality, bam. But worry about this after you making money. You know what I'm saying? Don't spend your money on this. Spend that YouTube money on this. You got to work your way up to this. So if you got an iPhone, you're set. You're good. I'm going to show you how to edit right now. All right, you're going to need 2 things, iMovie and Google Chrome. Download those now onto your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone has enough space. Hit the plus sign, then go to movie. Do not hit trailer. Now, it says moments at the top, but you click back, go to media and hit videos if you want to upload strictly videos. But you can put anything, pictures and everything on this. So I'm going to just put these 2 in there and throw it in there just so y'all can see how it go. Scroll around, just show you around, see what it look like. This is exactly what it looks like when you edit sideways. It's nothing too complicated at all. It's very, 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 very simple. This is the scene that I just did to show you guys how to do it. So this is the transitions that you can do. I usually take off the transitions, which be, I like doing no transition. I think transitions are lame, honestly. You got the fade in right here. That's whatever. If you look to the right where the arrow is, it got like an arrow. Look on the right. It's like a little arrow. That's the undo button. So you can undo anything that you do just by clicking that button. But you can also split. You click the thing, hit split, and you can delete stuff and cut it. You can detach the audio like so. Say you want to do like some movie stuff where the audio from the previous clip goes to the second one. Anything. I don't know I don't know how you want to edit. But this is just for simple, quick editing. This is not to get too much in detail. But, you can split, you can duplicate. It's a lot of things you can do. All you got to do is click those scissors right there. You go over here. You can also put in text. I personally do not like the text on iMovie. The text on iMovie, that shit fade in. This shit is like lame as hell. It's just not lit. You know what I'm saying? Like if you want to really, really put text on your videos, I would advise you to download Final Cut Pro. That's what I use to edit when I use the camera. But we talking about the motherfucking phone, so fuck all that shit. But you see I put whale penis on the screen, and it just fades in like that. Like the fade in is a little lame. That's what I don't fuck with. I don't like the fade. But you can also put text where it says title text here. You can put them in the middle and top and bottom. Is different types of text that you can use as well. But in my opinion, they all suck, so don't worry about it. You can also put filters on there, but that's very, very lame. If I catch you with a filter on your video, nigga, I'ma personally pull up and whoop your ass. So don't put no filters on your shit, please, and believe me, okay? You can also slow down the video. See, I'm slowing it down. Check it out. You can slow it down, but it's like people don't really do that. You know what I mean? The slowing down speed is not that great. You can go over here, you hit audio, hit sound effects, and they got a bunch of different ones. The sound effects dope. Listen. It's not too savvy, not too crazy. You got little soundtracks and shit like that. But I usually don't use the soundtracks. I go straight forward. I put all my clips on there and I take all the transitions off, and that's about it for me. You can go to my music, but usually it doesn't work because all this should be copyrighted. So iMovie doesn't even let you use it, which is great because you don't want to get copyrighted, meaning that you won't make no money on your video that you work hard on. And now you can do a voiceover like I'm doing right motherfucking now. I'm literally doing a voiceover right now. So you can just literally, I'm going to just play it back so you can hear it. It's kind of low. I'm going to play it back one more time. I'm going to turn it up. You can turn volume up and down just by using the volume button next to the scissors. So you can switch it up. You can do what you want, man. It's a good platform. It's a good thing to use. It's not bad. And once you're done, you hit that middle button right there, the upload sign. No export. Don't go to export. Go to save video. And then I click 1080p when I save. you know, but it all depends on the size of your phone. I have a 265, something like that, 225 gigabyte, was ever above. No, I got a 512 actually. I got a 512 gigabyte, and after you upload your video or whatever, turn this phone sideways so you can see what I'm showing you. You just go to upload on your YouTube app and you upload it right there. Make sure it's unlisted so you don't public it and tell all your fans, because you're going to be lit as fuck after this DDG OnlyFans. I teach you how to drip. You just wait. And the thing about it, you don't need Wi-Fi. You can literally upload off of your data, and that shit is just as fast. No cap. Swear to God, I tell you, nigga, I upload on the road all the time. Processing 95%. Done. And then once it refreshes, just like that, it is up and ready to go. And then it's going to pop up soon. I'm going to just refresh it a couple times and wait for this shit to pop up. But it should pop up in a second. There you go. Right there. Unlisted. Bam. And whenever I get ready to, I can make it public. So this is what I've been doing for the past 2-3 months, y'all. Like, I hope y'all take the advice and go ahead, download Google Chrome so you can, let me cut that out. All right, so after you do all that, you can go on Google Chrome. I don't want to log into all my stuff and show you all my info and stuff like that. But you go on there, you log into Google Chrome or whatever. You can go on youtube.com. It's important that you download Google Chrome on your phone if you want to put ads on your phone from the thing, because Google Chrome is the only thing that makes it look like a desktop. Use Safari, it sends you straight to the YouTube app. So download Google Chrome. You can go in there, type in, go on YouTube, and it's gonna look just like your computer. You can go in there, go to YouTube Studio, throw your ads on there, bam, hit save, wop wop. Download the Studio app. You can post it from there, or you can post it from YouTube regular. It's all I've been doing this entire time. It might seem like a lot, but I promise you, bro, it's not a lot, and it's so easy. Just quit being lazy. Punch you and turn it off. You're being lazy, bro. It's not hard. Quit being lazy. I remember I spent time where I used to film videos for hours. You know, I just got a little lazy with the phone videos, but this is the easiest way to vlog, because you always gonna have your phone on you. You always gonna get the best content because you always gonna be around different types of shit. But all you gotta do is download iMovie, download Google Chrome. Those are the only 2 things you need. And follow those steps. You got this video forever, so keep it. No cap. See you in the next video.